Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, black color, green color, white color and black color. Kids, now draw numbers and first state of 1 and here is red color. O N E 1 2 T W 2 3 T H R W 3. Kids, again use red color and draw 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5 6 S I X 6. It's night 7. The numbers of 7 and here is blue color. Blue color. S E V E N 7 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9 10 T E and 10 11. The numbers of 11. Kids, again use blue color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids, night 13. The numbers of 13 and here is black color. Black color. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. 16. The numbers of 16. 17. The numbers of 17. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.